How to create simply before and after video edit using Capcut for PC. Okay, I open my Capcut for PC and I can show you before and after result video edit using this video. Okay, now I go to filter and add a filter so that you can understand what was before and what is after, and add this filter with full video. Okay, now this is different from our original video. Okay, now export it. Again open Capcut and import our edited video and original video. Original video keep in the top. Now select this and go to mask and select split. Okay, now I round it 90 degree. So okay, now I extract this line left side and starting from video I add a keyframe here. Now go ending video and add another keyframe and extract this line from here to right end. Okay, now play the video, see the result. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.